How to spot a phishing email. Phishing is a fraudulent attempt by scammers to trick you into revealing sensitive information. They do this by sending emails, texts, or messages that look like they're from well-known companies, like your bank, a delivery service, or a software provider, like Norton. The main goal is to steal your money, your identity, or both. These scams almost always rely on creating a sense of panic or urgency, like threatening a large charge or claiming your account is locked. They want you to react emotionally instead of thinking logically. This email claiming to be from Norton is a classic example. Here are the specific red flags that give it away. 1. Sender address. The email comes from a random Gmail address, not an official Norton domain. 2. Generic greeting. It says, "Dear customer," not your real name, which a legitimate company would use for billing. 3. The logo. It's a low-quality fake. The weird spacing in Norton is a trick to bypass spam filters. 4. Poor grammar. The message uses an odd date format, strange capitalization, and awkward, unprofessional wording. 5. The phone number. The phone number has unusual spacing, another common tactic to avoid being blocked by spam filters. 6. Fake urgency. The email threatens a large $499 charge to create panic and rush you into calling without thinking. What happens if you call the number? Calling the number is where the real scam begins. The scammer's goal is to get you on the phone so they can manipulate you. Here are the most common scenarios. Scenario 1. The refund scam. This is the most likely goal of this specific email. Gaining your trust. You call to cancel the $499.99. The person on the phone will be very polite and helpful. They'll apologize for the mistake and promise to process your refund immediately. Gaining remote access. To process the refund, they'll claim they need you to log into your bank account while they're connected to your computer. They will guide you to a website to download remote access software like TeamViewer or AnyDesk, giving them complete control of your screen and mouse. The trick. While you're logged into your bank, they'll do one of two things. Fake refund. They'll use your browser's Inspect Element tool to digitally change the numbers on your screen. It will look like they accidentally refunded you $5,000 instead of $499. B. Real transfer. They'll quickly and secretly transfer money from your savings account to your checking account, making it look like new money appeared. The emergency. The scammer will panic, claiming they made a huge error and will be fired. They will beg you to please send back the difference, like $4,500. The theft. They will pressure you to fix their mistake right now by wiring money from your bank, or more commonly, by driving to a store to buy thousands of dollars in gift cards like Apple, Google Play, or Target, and reading the numbers to them over the phone. Once you do, your money is gone forever. Scenario 2. Malware and ransomware. While they have remote access to your computer, scammers can easily cause more damage. Install malware. They may install spyware or keyloggers to secretly record everything you type, including passwords for your bank, email, and social media. Ransomware. They may lock up all of your personal files, photos, documents, etc., with encryption. A message will pop up demanding hundreds or thousands of dollars in cryptocurrency to unlock them. The best action is to delete the email and block the sender. If you're ever concerned about an account, never use the contact information in an email. Go directly to the company's official website and find their legitimate support number. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay secure. Your digital life is worth protecting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world safely. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.